Hello viewers and subscribers, this is breaking news right now. The former governor Peter Obi and the presidential candidate for the Labour Party has just arrived at Osun State, the Osun State capital, for the final campaign, grand campaign of the Labour Party gubernatorial candidates. This is happening right now in Osogbo, the Osun State capital. Yes, the presidential candidate of Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, has come to campaign for the gubernatorial candidate for the upcoming election in this state that will be happening on Saturday. And we are going to be on ground to monitor this gubernatorial election that will be holding in this state on Saturday. If you are a new viewer, subscribe now and click on the notification button so that as soon as we start giving you updates concerning the election on Saturday, you are not going to miss any one of it. Yes, this is it. Mr. Peter Obi is right now in Osogbo, the Osun State capital. You can see him over there. Yes, the campaign has begun and the awareness is ongoing. Yes, Mr. Peter Obi has the full backing of the Labour, and this is going to give him a much more support, and the votes. You can see the crowd gathered for this grand finale of Labour Party gubernatorial campaign. This is it. You can see the people are happy to see Mr. Peter Obi in Osogbo, the Osun State capital.
Stop the music. Family, those of you who are gathered here, it is easy for you to think that those other parties who have kept Nigeria in darkness for 22 years is better. You are the ones that are suffering. All those things they are showing you, all those big men they are doing to you, is your money they have stolen. Is your future they have stolen. They want to recover your future. You have no job. You have no food. Your children are not in school. Your children are schooling overseas. This is the time for you to recover Nigeria. This is time for you to take back Nigeria. You have governors, they are owing salary, they are owing pension. Labour people who are working hard have not been paid. I listened to our national chairman when he said that somebody said that they can labor till death. When they show you or when they talk like that, when they show you hatred, Labour Party will show them love. There's dignity in Labour. Labour Party said we want to move Nigeria from consumption to production. You cannot do production without Labour. So there's dignity in Labour. And those who have labored will get their reward. That's what we want to do in Nigeria. We want to give what monkey they walk, monkey go chop. We don't want monkey to walk again, baboon go chop. Let monkey chop. We don't want anybody to die. We want them to live. We want the baboons to live. But we want them to join the monkey in walking. We want the baboon to come and join monkey in working, so that two of them can live and chop. So when they talk about dying, pray for them to live. We want Nigeria to show love. We want Nigeria to show care. Let nobody tell you it's from this place or it's from this place. Vote for competence. Vote for people who have worked. Osun State today, you know, go and check how much they owe you. Go and check how much Osun State is owing. Go and check the problem that is happening in Osun State. Everything that is happening here, it is because you voted for the wrong party. Vote for Labour Party for the future of your children. We are going to introduce you to a governor who will be committed to a better Osun State, to building a better Osun State. That is what we want. Don't collect money. In the next 4 years, it will be worse. Do not collect money. Or like Chairman said, collect the money and keep it. And vote your conscience. Is your money they've stolen. It is your money. So vote for a candidate that will protect your interests. Vote for Labour so your children can have a job. Vote for people who will work for you. We want to change Nigeria. And the only way to change Nigeria is to remove all these people who have kept Nigeria where it is for the past 23 years. This is time for them to go. 23 years, no light, no water, no school, no road, no nothing. They must go. That is what we want them to do. Labour Party! Labour Party! We want to present you your governor. This is the man that will change it.
Bẹ́wù yìí kẹ́ lọ dá ìrun yín. Bẹ́wù yìí kẹ́ sí ti ìrun yín. Lásù làwọn òyìnbó wà fún. Bàbá onírúgbọ̀ fún.